back with your name to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there is no talking, eating, drinking, gum, chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind. And please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. It's actually great.
Oh, sorry.
All right. Okay, let's, this is the people versus Corey Daniel. Ticket number P1298830, count one. I think that's closed out. So count two, improper plate. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Corey Daniels.
Mr. Daniels, say your name.
Mr. Daniel, please say your name.
Yes, Corey Daniel.
Your Honor, Mr. Daniel has provided a valid registration and insurance. I'm moving for dismissal of his matters.
Take the proper cause.
So stipulated.
All right, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Daniel. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Versus Kobe Richardson, ticket number P1291838, count one, reckless
Yes,
driving. Good morning, please say your names for the record. Everyone, when your case is called, let the attorney place her name on the record first, and then you can place your name on the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Kobe Richardson.
Kobe Richardson.
Your Honor,
Sir,
Can you say that again for me?
turn on your video.
My camera is currently broken. When I turn it on, it turns right back off.
Okay.
Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to discuss this matter. Mr. Richardson's going to return with a driver improvement certificate. So I don't know if the court wants to go to a trial date or a pre-trial date.
We can do a trial date.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Richardson, you're willing to waive your jury trial and set it for a bench trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Raise your right hand, Mr. Richardson.
It's raised.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can put your hand down. You can just say yes.
Yes.
All right. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Can you say that again for me?
Do you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set for a bench trial date for November 30th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're all set, sir. It's gonna be on Zoom.
Okay.
This is the people versus Tertiary Register. Did I pronounce it? How do you pronounce your first name?
It's Kashari.
Sorry, I'm sorry, ma'am. Kashari Register, ticket number P1290885, count one, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Register.
Say your name.
Kashari Register.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation on a delayed sentence. At this time, my client's waiving her rights, asking the court to accept that.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Register. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of December 17, 2021 at 1:29 p.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2018 Nissan vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. And, do you know if that vehicle had been stopped in the city of Detroit?
I'm sorry.
Do you know if that vehicle had been stopped on that date and time in the city of Detroit?
It was actually at the Coney Island. So he was parked. Yes, it was in Detroit.
Thank you. All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied with the factual basis, will accept the admission, will proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence, so there's gonna be a fine, Ms. Register, of $200. And then you can't get any more tickets or citations, so essentially no further police contact. If you do all of that, this will be dismissed off your record. Let me find a date in 3 months.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that beginning part, because I can barely hear you?
There's gonna be a fine of $200, and then you
Okay.
can't get any tickets, no citations or violations. So essentially, no further police contact. If you do that, then this will be dismissed off your record.
Okay.
So, okay, so we'll come back on, we'll do January 12th at 8:35. Do you have any questions?
No,
Okay, so you're all set, ma'am.
thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
First is Danielle Reed, ticket number P1296430, count 1, driver's license expired. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Daniel Reeves.
Ms. Reed, you're muted, Ms. Reeves.
Danielle Reeves.
Your Honor, Ms. Reeves did provide a valid license. I'm moving for dismissal.
Stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
Matters dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Reeves. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
People versus Johnson Robinson. Ticket number P1334181, count 1, fail to stop for stop sign. And ticket number P1334247, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record. Start.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Jonta Robinson.
What? I don't see.
We had a Jonta.
Yeah, Johnson Robinson is here.
Your Honor, I wasn't aware of the stop sign. Is it a stop sign ticket you said? Is there a recommendation?
Yes, so the recommendation is to plead to limited access, 60 and 55 mile per hour zone, and then dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor.
Did you understand that, Mr. Jonta?
Yes.
You had a second matter that I didn't discuss with you going through a stop sign. So they're going to make it a no point speeding offense. It will show on your record, but it'll show as no points.
Okay.
You want to accept that?
Yes.
It looks like that the speeding ticket was in default, but are you asking for it to be set aside?
Yes, Your Honor. We have a default be set aside at this time.
So the default is set aside because there's an offer for both. So with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket for ticket number P1334181.
So stipulated.
And then you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Okay, so the court will amend the civil infraction to limited access 1 to 5, and we'll dismiss the other ticket without prejudice, and we'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Robinson, there's going to be a fine of $125. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay this. Can you have it paid by October 27th?
Yes.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No.
Okay, so you're all set.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Thanks.
Okay, this is the people versus Debonair Ridley. Ticket number, so there's a number of tickets here. I don't know if you knew, there's some that are in warrant status, so I'll call them off.
Thank
Ticket number
you.
1350188, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P132358, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P112586, count 1, failed to display valid operator's license on a person, and ticket number P1328135, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. The offer is that if he pleads to ticket number ending in 188, count 1 will be amended to fail to display, and counts 2 and 3 would be amended to improper place. Everything else would be dismissed.
Your Honor, Mr. Ridley, did you understand what the court
Yes,
said to
I
you?
did. Yes.
Are you interested in availing yourself of that?
I don't know, cause I just paid y'all $2,000 and I get Tyler's, 2 Tylers. I just paid y'all $2,000 and nothing happened to my license. It ain't no way y'all can give me, cause I can't make it back and forth to where I can't even drive my no car. How I'm gonna get to work to pay y'all?
You gotta take care of these matters. Here's the thing, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tickets. The offer is that you plead a 3, and then the other 6 would be dismissed.
So you're,
Yeah.
it's a good deal, sir.
Yeah.
So yes, are you saying yes?
Yes,
We'll accept the
yes.
offer? We're ready to proceed, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Ridley. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And by waiving your right to trial, knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of May 11, 2022 at 4:22 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Rutland and Kendall in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
Yes.
And was that vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Yes.
Satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied with the factual basis. Will amend the counts to fail to display in a proper place. You stipulate probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
If they're dismissed without prejudice, we'll proceed to sentencing. Now, you talking about you paid $2,000. Looks like the problem is you keep driving and your license isn't valid, Mr. Ridley.
I got Tylers. I got bills and 2 Tylers. That's 2. I can't. How I'm gonna get money?
Stop. Look, I'm just saying, stop driving, because you're not able to legally drive at this point.
I'm gonna be homeless then. I'm gonna be homeless on the streets.
Well, then you're gonna keep getting tickets and you're gonna have to keep paying money.
Yeah, I understand. There's no way y'all can like give me my license and let me pay y'all.
I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do.
All right.
What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna sentence you to a $300 fine for the fail to display. For the other 2 tickets, I'm gonna waive the fine. So you just have to pay $300. The rest of the tickets are dismissed, but you're still gonna probably have to pay reinstatement fees to get your license. So you got to pay money, but you need to stop driving. If you don't wanna keep paying money, stop driving until you get yourself situated.
I understand, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Girl, did you have any questions?
Nope.
You're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you. Y'all want me to leave the room or?
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you have this? I did not give you a date to pay. can you have this paid by November 14th?
14th, we can't get like no payment plan?
You can go on the payment plan.
Yeah, I can get on a payment plan and start the payment plan on the, like before the 14th, like November.
This is, okay, this is what, okay, fine, we'll do November 14th. But you gotta, to do the payment plan, you have to come down to the court. You gotta put at least 25% down.
All right.
And I mean, I can give you another month, but that's what you need to do. when it comes to payment.
Yeah, if you can get me to the 14th to come down and put the 25% down, then that'd be perfect.
Okay, well, you have till November 14th. But you need to make sure you apply for the payment plan.
Oh, so I gotta come down there and apply.
Yeah,
All right, thank you, thank you.
you're welcome. Good luck to you.
All right, I appreciate you. Enjoy the rest of y'all morning.
You too, thank you.
All right.
One second. This is the people versus Charles Davis. I don't see a Charles Davis. This is the people versus Lenora Domino. Ticket number 227418883, count 1, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Domino.
Ms. Domino, unmute yourself, look on the bottom left-hand corner. Tap the screen.
Unmute.
There you go.
Name, ma'am. Stay-
You had pushed it, ma'am, and then you set it back again.
Right there,
Yes.
right there. Okay, thank you.
Domino.
Let the court know your name, ma'am.
Lenora Domino.
Your Honor, I did discuss this matter with Ms. Domino. At this time, she's requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Right hand, Ms. Domino.
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am. No
Do you
judge.
understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes,
And so the plea is going to continue. You're not guilty plea. Set it for a bench trial for November 30th at 9 o'clock. So you're all set, ma'am.
uh, oh, I have a question, if it's okay. About my license and things like that. So I'm told that I could just, this is just for one unregistered vehicle.
Charge is for unregistered or untitled vehicle. If you have other tickets, then, I mean, I don't know, we don't have time today to pull them up.
Oh, yeah, I already know what that is. I was just saying, is these two tickets, the insurance and the unregistered title, is that together? I just wanted to know what those together.
You just have one ticket of unregistered.
Okay.
And
Thank you so much. Thank you, Your Honor, for taking up your time. Thank you.
you're fine. Good luck. This is the people versus Michelle Day, ticket number P114084. Count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, drive and register or entitled vehicle. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Day.
Michelle Day.
Your Honor, she's going to avail herself of the recommendation.
trying to see, but it looks like she has other tickets. Oh, never mind. This, okay, this looks like this has been dismissed. So maybe she doesn't have tickets. All right, not to worry about it. Raise your right hand, Ms. Day. Do you swear you're referring to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything? You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
yes,
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea.
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of December 2nd, 2020 at 10:52 a.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 1999 Chevrolet vehicle?
yes,
And did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
yes,
And was this vehicle stopped in the city of Detroit?
yes,
You're satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied with the factual basis? And we'll accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. Do you stipulate proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So we'll proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence, Ms. Day. So you're gonna have to pay a fine of $200. You can't get any more tickets or citations. So essentially, no further police contact. If you do all of that and pay the $200 fine, then this will be dismissed off your record. Do you understand?
okay, yes, ma'am,
Okay, so your next date is January, I think it was January 12th at 8:35 is your next court date.
okay, thank you.
Okay, did you have any questions?
No,
You're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
okay, thank you. What is it?
This is the people versus Ronald Wright.
Yes.
Ticket number P1291857, count 1, disregard red flash or arrow. And ticket number P1291861, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, PF of Ronald Rice.
Mr. Rice, ma'am, Ronald Rice.
Your Honor, today is trial date. The officer did appear. My client's going to avail himself of the recommendation.
Do you stipulate to the face of the ticket for ticket number P1291857?
So stipulated.
What you just-
Accept that stipulation and will amend the count to blockading. You stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So that ticket is this. Proceed to sentencing. Mr. Rice, there's a $175 fine. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay this. I mean, you haven't paid by October 27th.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any
What?
questions, sir?
Can I pay it today?
You might want to wait till later on this afternoon. You might want to wait till tomorrow to pay, because it has
Well,
to get entered. Needs to get
can I-
entered into the.
Will I come down there or can I mail it in?
No, you can do it online. You can call on the phone, and I can give you a phone number whenever you're ready. Or there's kiosks around the city, like in Meyer or CVS called DivDat, DIVDAT. You can pay it at the kiosk. Whenever you're ready, I can give you the phone number.
Ready.
It's 855-798.
Hold on. 798
1547.
1547. You say I owe you $175?
Yes, sir.
And that's for the blinking red light?
It's, yeah, but it's been reduced to no points. Correct.
Okay.
Thank you.
So when I call this number, I just say my name and tell them I'm paying for it?
Just follow the prompt, sir.
Oh. All right. Yes, ma'am.
Any other questions?
No, ma'am.
So you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Good luck to you too. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. This is the People versus Misha Dorch, ticket number P1145867, count 1, driver license suspended, repeat offender, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number P1286149, count 1, 11 to 15 miles per hour over posted speed, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Dorsch.
Misha Dorch.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation. My client's going to avail herself of that.
All right, with that, stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Dorch.
Thank you.
No, Your Honor, I think that there were additional tickets and she was going to plead to a failed to display and an impeding.
Ms. Horn,
Yes.
no, Ms. Horn, she paid, no, she paid for the speeding ticket.
But she was going to set the default aside. Remember?
Oh, that's right, because it's on the docket.
And she had that suspended, outstanding, a suspended and no insurance, and then.
That is correct, that's correct, because I thought that she said, you're right, okay. So with that, you stipulate to the face of the, well, let's do this. All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Dorch. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki in private about your case and your right?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of December 16, 2020 at 2:43 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Gratiot and Sylvester in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2015 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended and you were a repeat offender?
Yes.
You're satisfied?
Satisfied.
The court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate to the face of the ticket for ticket number P1686149.
So stipulated.
So that ticket, count 1, is amended to blockading, and then stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
All right, so they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. So there's a fine for the blockading ticket of $175. Can you have that paid? Well, I'm not even giving you the option. So you need to have it paid by October 27th, okay?
Okay, you said 120, how much? I'm sorry, can you read that?
$175.
Okay. Is there any way that I can get an extension on that?
I'm not gonna do that because I'm going to waive the fine for the fail to display.
Okay,
So, I mean, otherwise it would have been $375 you would have had to pay. And right, I couldn't give you a month to pay that, but I'll waive the fine for the fail to display, so you don't have to pay anything for that. And the other tickets are deleted, so you just have the $175 to pay.
okay,
Now, you can try to get on the payment plan, but you will need to come down to the court and put 25% down. And you need to make sure you do it within the next week or so.
okay,
If you don't pay this, it goes into default and it won't close.
okay. Yes, ma'am.
You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck. Okay. So we
Thank you
still
and have a good day.
Thank you. We have Devin Du Bois and we still have Stacey Davis. You guys-
Yes, I have the file, I can't get into the Zoom.
Oh, it's live.
Yep. So I came down and set up but I have that file.
Oh, okay, here, I'll unlock it. We have Devin Du Bois.
I'll go back in.
Okay.
Officer Kaler.
You can hang up, Ms. George. Okay, so Office Corporal Ambrose, the prosecutor is, why do you just? The prosecutor.
I don't know who's in control.
The prosecutor is logging on to get, I think she wants to speak with you. And then, and Corporal Knapp is here. You want to speak to Corporal Knapp?
Yes.
Okay, so Corporal Knapp, prosecutor is about to log on and speak with you as well. So
Yeah, because I'm so used to checking down.
Oh,
And he's sitting up there like, he probably ain't seen that, did he? Yeah. Oh, he probably just saw it. He probably just saw it.
all right, so we'll get you guys situated in the next few minutes and get you out of here.
Okay, I'm still up, he's up, I'm down.
I don't think he showed up. Charles Davis either showed up. I'm sorry. Charles Davis, he's.
Your Honor. Your Honor.